Your buddy brought the ski.
That's what's up. Let's go.
Got the ski.
The ski? What?
We are ready.
We got the ski. What? What?
Guys,
let's just say this right now. It's been a sad day.
sad day that Elder Herzog will no longer be joining us.
He's a homie hopper. Don't listen to him.
But to brighten the day, Jose got a fresh fade, fresh cut. Shoot.
$6 right here. That's right. You. Simba.
Jose, you're gonna shotgun with me?
I'll shotgun one of these guys.
Shotgun ski, you enjoy. To be honest, I've never shotgunned anything, and especially with like beer or anything. I've never tried shotgunning, so we're gonna do that.
It's like Sprite, but it's really good. It's like sexy Sprite.
Well, there's
You say sex and Sprite.
Sexy Sprite.
it's sexy.
We're gonna be shotgunning ski for the first time. My first time shotgunning. Looking forward to this.
Other Fielding still looks like a Ninja Turtle.
I'm leaving.
1, 2, 3.
Ah. I win.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Who's killed that? Get slept.
I shotgunning ski with the boys.
Yes, sir.
This is how Mormons do it.
That's how they party. Future Jose, some words of encouragement for him.
What more could you need? Like,
Hey, future Jose, want to get drunk?
Oh, now that Drage is home.
Holy ball sacks, was that Eric? Damn. That's the scariest thing I've ever had happen to me. Fetching Eric. Gosh damn it. This is the sickest thing ever. How much did he spend on all this?
I have no idea. I think he spent like less than 100, but he was like, as soon as Drake comes home, you gotta like get that reaction for him.
Best. That's the sickest thing I've been wanting to make one of these. I didn't even know how to possibly make it. Holy shiz.
Oh, they're gonna blow up somebody.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ouch!
That was amazing! Yeah!
He loved it, but it sounds like it hurt.
3, 2, 1, go!
How do you feel?
Good! Okay, we're ready when you guys are. 3, 2, 1, go!
Well, that was a fail.
Okay, go from the top now. 3, 2, 1, go!
I can feel you staring. Is this something that you like? And I can feel you glaring, cause I'm so far out of sight. And if you come in closer, beware of my wicked bite.